If you know my God, He's a very big God. Oh. He no dey for my hands, it's always by my side. A very big God. Omo guys, hey, na the song wey Regina Daniel dey sing for mouth as the unbelievable, the unimaginable happen for Ned Woko's house again. In Ned Woko's house this time around, Leila Cheremi is nothing. But in her father's house in Morocco, she is a queen. Dem say nobody say make small pikin no get big teeth o. Shebi the small pikin get big tongue to take cover am. They say when things keep on repeating itself again and again and again, it shows that there is something wrong going on over there. My people, no be small thing o, e don sup again for Ned Woko's house. Before I go carry una enter into the main cocoa of the cocoa lane, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had to na so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pockets, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name take beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so I go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My people, no be small thing dey happen for Ned Woko's house o. At least Regina Daniel was not loved by Ned Woko, but she is loved by people around. Mothers were praying for her. Mothers were happy for her. Both children, both young and old. Everybody show Regina Daniel love. Now, for my previous video, I made a mistake. I promised that I'm going to post a birthday video where mothers do portraits can give Regina Daniel on her birthday day. According to Regina Daniel, she said it was even a surprise that those women came and she was inside throughout the morning. She no come out, not knowing say these women then gather. They wait make Regina Daniel come out, make dem fit present the gifts wey dem get for her. Una see the love. Na the video be this o when I dey show una so. I am sorry because I see one of my commenter come drop say me I been promise say I go show video of where they give Regina Daniel gifts and all, but I forget while editing the video I no add this particular video. This was when Regina Daniel celebrated her birthday, that the women wey she dey always show love to, they came also to show her love. Una don see am say Regina Daniel is not only loved by her family, but she is also loved by the people wey believe say she has got lot of things to offer. Ned Nwoko say na joke, but no be joke. Regina Daniel grace no be lie the mother lie, e long from here to Jamaica. Now, as we take sit down Feke at an early hour of today, na Leila Jeremy, the Moroccan wife of Ned Nwoko, jejely and wildly come deactivate her social media handle, deleting all the pictures wey dey for her media handle, come also even remove the profile picture wey she put for there. As she remove the profile picture, not to replace she just leave am black, which automatically mean say something is wrong somewhere. As we dey reason and dey go, dey reason and dey come say what could be the issue? Why did Leila remove all her pictures from her official handle? Wetin dey happen? A whole Leila that came to defend Ned Nwoko, na so one particular blog come post and say trouble in paradise as Ned Nwoko's fifth wife Leila clears everything on her Instagram with hand on her head. Say omo, e don be o. E no tey na im people start dey look for a video of where Regina Daniel dey praise her God o. say una see dis God. I no fit play dis song for una because of say music itself go get copyright, but for some pipu wey be say dem don see am somewhere else, una go know say dis song na im be the song wey she dey dance to. She say una see dis God, is a very big God oo, chai! E no dey fall her hands, is always by her side, is a very big God. Na so pipu start dey repost am o say Regina Daniel you talk am. Shebi na Leila wey come out wen Regina Daniel dey go through a lot. Person cry out say e don do her, say no be only her, e dey happen, and pipu confirm am say no be only Regina Daniel true true, e happen to Chantel, Ned Nwoko fourth wife, abi na im third wife, im fourth wife, e happen to her too. E come dey cry out dey talk, from nowhere you come say you wan support your husband, saying that Regina Daniel just wan use social media take blackmail una, take say a lot, whereas she know the truth. She's just hiding under the canopy of say she wan scatter your husband name. All of a sudden, Ned Nwoko became your husband of your youth. You came back and publicly apologized after you left. Was because of your children and because you love your husband. Regina Daniel has been the issue. Na Regina Daniel na im pursue you go Morocco, na im comot you for husband house because she dey teach you bad thing. Shebi dis one wey don start now, na Regina Daniel still teach you, abi? Na Regina Daniel now na im still talk say make you go deactivate your account. The same thing wey happen during Regina Daniel regime wey she deactivate her account. You know say she been talk am say na Ned Nwoko na im push her say make she deactivate the account. E no wan see her for social media again when dem get heated argument. The same thing now, pipu don dey tag am to say Ned Nwoko, you don start another one with Leila again. Now wey dem don leave you and Leila, una don start another drama. God abeg o, make una no let pipu laugh una o. E never even reach how many months wey Regina Daniel leave the marriage say she no do again. Even the Leila and the Ned Nwoko, dem no get peace. And dem say na Regina Daniel before, na she dey cause problem, na she be crackhead, na she be bad wife, na she be dis, na she be dat. Now the bad wife don comot, the crackhead don comot, e don leave you with coconut head. Dem don leave you with your full leg. As you say, any man wey marry one wife, say why man go dey, e go dey with one leg, e go start with one leg, say e no dey possible. Dem don finally leave you with your plenty wife, with your plenty leg standing. Now you don dey look for shoe wey you go take wedge your leg. Hey God abeg o, omo dis God wey do am for Regina Daniel, she no go know wetin God do for her. For a whole Regina Daniel to avoid a billionaire say she no do again, na there una go know say e really get as e be. Which girl of dis Gen Z wey go see money, see lifestyle, see everything go come talk say e no go do again? Na there you go know say Regina Daniel eye really see a lot. For her to insist, standing on the fact say she is no longer interested and she don't want to do again, make Ned Nwoko leave her alone. She know wetin she see. Leila come out say na Regina e get mind, talk say na Regina Daniel na im dey cause problem for dem. Shebi Regina now don leave the man for am. Wetin come happen wey you dey deactivate your account? Wetin come happen wey you no wan do again? Wey you dey delete everything, including your profile picture? Chai! Indeed, if you get this God, make you hold am tight o. If God dey answer your prayer, you no need to use God play. If there is anything wey you go need to dey do every Eke market day to please God, make you dey do am, say omo God really dey at work. Now online in-laws dem don dey drag the Leila lege say come oo, Regina no dey there now oo, wetin dey happen? You better cry out now before it is too late. Now wey be say you still get eye to cry am come out oo, so dat make dem keep Chinedu for where e belong make you no come dey inside come kpai put, because Regina Daniel already talk am for her last post before she stop to dey post say Leila never know wetin she use her hand dey buy, because the last time she checked, Ned Nwoko beat her sotey pikin wey she carry for belle e throway. Now Ned Nwoko don start another one, say make she no worry, say e go still happen again, as if Regina dey prophesy, whereas no be prophecy oo, na wetin dey happen for inside. But because people no dey believe Regina Daniel because of say dem dey feel say she wan spoil the man name the way im also spoil her name, dem no know say na wetin she see na im she dey talk. My people, it is well oo. Dem say broom wey dem take pursue first wife, if second wife no careful, dem go still use am pursue second wife, and if dem marry third, na so oo. In as much as say dat broom dey dat house, until they learn to throway dat broom before dem go dey alright, until all of dem leave dat man alone make im carry imself by himself go for deliverance. Until dey do dat one, I no sure say Ned Nwoko fit change allegedly. My people, no be small matter dey ground oo. Una see say Regina Daniel is indeed another child entirely. She is another child wey need case study, because ever since she left, different story, different things. And Nneoma say dem no want division again, as if that was not enough. See am now, dem don leave you complete leg, you still dey look for shoe wey high wey you go take go wager, as if that was not enough. Where you never waka go, only you, UK don send for you, dem don even him e go know by now say Regina no be person wey you go take play. E fit be say Regina sef na person wey you go take play, but because you really don deal with lot of women, na their head na im dey follow am like this oo. You know say when human being too wicked, e no dey know when e go offend the gods of the land. And in as far as say you don offend the gods of the land, na one step na im dey go take to take scatter every other thing wey remain in you. And na im be this one wey dey happen so. All the women wey you don show dem shege, people like Leah Chantel wey dem leave am for God, na now God settle down carry Regina Daniel give am as scammer. My people, na this matter wey we dey settle like this oo. People now dey talk am say make Leila no go anywhere oo. Who she wan leave Ned Nwoko for? Make she no go anywhere. Why some dey call her now say make she come cry out oo, now wey eye dey see eye, before it is too late. Make she no come dey inside all in the name of say you want to cover him up, you no want to disgrace him. If you comot now say you no do again, Ned Nwoko go get wetin him go come talk, because the last time wey she come out say she no do again, anybody wey know am make dem avoid her. Ned Nwoko come talk am say she dey follow, say she go do body without telling him. Now see this one. Omo, my people, wetin be una own oo for inside this matter? Make una come drop am for the comment section oo. Make una come drop am, make we interact oo. Is an interactive section right now. Say God of Regina Daniel, e never even reach anywhere, e don dey manifest. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.